You need to pretend my line is straight. And what we're trying to do is figure out the equation of that line. Well, I like to use the formula y equal mx plus b, because the m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. So it's going through this point and this point. So let's figure out the slope first. Think of this as rise, and this is how much it runs. Now, as x increases, y is decreasing. That means your slope is negative. So your slope is rise over run. So start up here and let's rise -2. That takes us from here to here. And now let's run positive 1, 2, 3. So my slope is -2/3. And the y-intercept is at 2. So let's plug in what we know. Y equals slope -2/3 x, y-intercept plus 2. Now, if you look at your answers, they're not in that form. They do not have any fractions. So let's multiply every term on both sides by 3. And that's 3y equals -2x plus 6. Now let's add 2x to both sides. That gives me 2x plus 3y equals 6. 2x plus 3y equals 6. That's answer B.